Hey everyone, my name's Emily. I'm part of our product team at Alvéole, and I'm here to give you a quick rundown of the great tools available to you to help generate engagement and effortlessly manage your project through your Alvéole account. So here we are on the main feed of MyHive. This is what tenants see when they come to visit your public-facing MyHive page. They'll see this great feed of beekeeper updates with fantastic photos, giving the latest updates about the bee program, how the bees are progressing throughout the season, etc. We also give a few different ways for tenants to interact with the page. They can subscribe to beekeeper updates. They can register for any upcoming events that you have on the calendar. You will have access at all times to the list of registrants for you to, reach out to, send additional communications to if you would like. They can also say that they would love to receive, updates about how to get their hands on a honey jar when the time comes, etc. So lots of fun stuff for them to interact with here. Once you're signed into your Alvéole account, you will have a few additional tools unlocked for you to really help generate engagement and manage your program. First one I want to mention when it comes to generating engagement is this really wonderful share feature where you're able to very quickly, with just a couple of clicks, share your information about your bee program and your MyHive page with your main tenant contacts, encouraging them to pass the information along to their colleagues. So you can, paste in some emails here, upload a CSV, and add a custom message if you would like. I also really encourage you to take advantage of our integrations kit. So this is a kit that gives you all the tools you need to very simply add your MyHive page to your tenant amenities app, making it super discoverable for your tenants, and is a great way, again, of kind of kickstarting engagement. Similarly, we also give you a promo kit that is just loaded with lots of great design files, helping you to promote your project, some really great workshop invitations, some additional media here. So lots of great stuff for you to explore to help you promote your program. In your settings page, I'll mention quickly, this is where you can add additional team members to help manage your project alongside you. In your page settings, you can customize the look of your MyHive page, and this is also where you can enable these different features. And this is also where you can download your QR code for the page. And then really crucially, two super exciting tools that are built into your Alvéole platform is our event booking tool, which comes alongside with our built-in event registration. So to book your workshops, you will come here, you can browse the different topics we have available. When you click book, just a few clicks, you give us a few kind of bits of crucial information. You'll be able to see our team's availability. You can choose the time that works the best for you. A few bits of crucial info. You click book now, you'll get a confirmation email. If you have our event registration tool enabled, we'll automatically invite all of the interested tenants on your MyHive page. And then finally, our Honey design tool. So this is a great tool, super intuitive to use, and gives you a lot of autonomy and creativity when it comes to designing your honey labels. So a little step-by-step guide here. We give you a whole range of different design templates to choose from. You can very easily come in here, change the colors, upload your own logo, and they come pre-populated with your page's MyHive, with your page's QR code. You also have the option to upload a custom file made by your own design team. So there you have it. There's a quick rundown of some of the fantastic features that are available to you in your Alvéole account to generate engagement and to really seamlessly manage your bee program.